Ever wondered how to make pasta without sauce and vegetables? It might seem like an impossible feat, but with a bit of creativity and a few simple ingredients, it's entirely achievable. First things first, choose the pasta. Spaghetti, penne, fettuccine, rigatoni, the choice is yours. The beauty of pasta is its versatility. Once you've picked your pasta, it's time to get cooking. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt and bring it to a roaring boil. Add your chosen pasta and cook until it's perfectly al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite. While the pasta is boiling away, it's time to prepare the secret ingredient that will give the dish its flavor: garlic-infused olive oil. Heat a generous amount of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add finely chopped garlic and cook it until it turns golden brown. Be careful not to burn it, as burnt garlic can add a bitter taste to the oil. Once the garlic is perfectly golden, remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will continue to infuse the oil with that delicious garlic flavor. Strain the oil to remove the garlic pieces, and what you're left with is a beautifully aromatic garlic-infused olive oil. Drain the pasta, but remember to reserve some of the pasta water. This starchy water can be a secret weapon in adding a silky finish to the pasta. Now, bring the pasta and the garlic-infused oil together. Pour the oil over the pasta. Add a generous sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper and toss everything together. If the pasta seems a bit dry, add a little bit of the reserved pasta water. Finish the dish with a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a handful of chopped fresh herbs like parsley or basil. And there you have it, pasta without sauce and vegetables, but bursting with flavor. To summarize, making pasta without sauce and vegetables involves boiling the pasta in salted water until it's al dente, making a garlic-infused olive oil, combining the pasta with the oil and seasoning it with black pepper, and finishing it off with Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs. Remember to reserve some pasta water to add a silky finish to the dish. This simple yet flavorful dish proves that you don't need a heavy sauce or an array of vegetables to make a delicious pasta dish. With just a few ingredients and a bit of technique, you can create a pasta dish that's sure to impress. So why not give it a try next time you're in the mood for pasta?